Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap there. Now we must enter Connect pin to our Parental Control and we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included at the rated, confirm by save, and we have it. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.